Welcome to our channel. Join us in today's mouthwatering adventure as we explore the world of keto-friendly cuisine. We present to you Keto Roasted Radish Recipe that's not only healthy, but also bursting with flavors. Ingredients: organic radishes, olive oil about 2 to 3 tsp, dried basil, parsley, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Remove the greens from the radishes and save them for smoothies, salads, sandwiches, or whatever you like greens in. Rinse the radishes and trim off the ends and cut in half, and then chunks that are uniform in size. That way, they will cook evenly. Place the radishes on a parchment paper-covered baking sheet. Drizzle a little olive oil and rub it into the radishes. Add the spices and toss to coat. Make sure the radishes are in a single layer so they will brown up nicely. Place them in the oven for between 30 and 45 minutes depending on their size and how crispy brown you like them. These go great as a side dish to grilled chicken, steak, or fish, or you can toss them into a salad. Enjoy! Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.